Usually when we do a story about Hands-On Houston, it's here at the Houston Center for Contemporary Craft. This time, though, we had to go across the street to the Lawndale Art Center. We'll get to why in just a moment, but first...
Hands-On Houston is one of the longest running free family craft days in Houston, if not the longest. And it's really about just giving the experience of craft and of traditional craft and contemporary craft to everyone of all ages. It allows us to work with all materials, all different artists from around the city and around the world, as well as working with things that have to do with our exhibition so that people have a hands-on approach to what they get to see in our galleries and in our artist studios. So today's is a balance wooden sculpture so that our crafters are going to be able to assemble different pieces together to actually get beads to balance on a point. And so they get to do a little bit of STEM kind of being put in there as well. So they get to see a little bit of that physics and how that really affects art as well. They're working mostly with wooden dowels and wooden beads, being able to like draw on those beads and create their own designs in those ways as well. But yeah, it's just all wood. We've been closed since Barrel. We've had some damage that we had to deal with. We're in the middle of figuring out what our timeline is for opening. Our hope and our dream is in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But we are, of course, already have our next exhibition opening definitely scheduled for October 5th. So we'll be open for that time, or at least that's what we're hoping for. The one thing that I want to say is really to thank our neighbor, Lawndale, for allowing this into our space and allowing that community to really show that we are there for one another and that we will always kind of be able to give people this kind of joy and this experience, and that we're, even though we're not part of the same organization, that we just care about our viewers of our community.
For Artbeat, this is Randall Williams.